Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. Now tell me why I found this video from literally a year ago in my phone, just sitting there waiting for me to edit it. Like, it was literally lost in all of my 4,000 pictures in my phone. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I feel like a lot of people don't know that we do makeup in our salon, or that I do makeup in the salon, because I'm so often doing braids and locks. But yes, I do makeup, and this is one of my first and most faithful makeup clients. You've definitely seen her on this channel before. This is Taylor. Follow her on Instagram. But yeah, you guys already know the drill. I'm using my same, mostly e.l.f. products, but as I grow, if I get more makeup clients like how I want, I'm about to just be splurging on them. I want to get my Laura Mercier powder. I want to get Milk Hydro Grip primer. Like, I want to get more makeup products, but to get more makeup products, I do want more makeup clients, because I'm not doing as much makeup as I was when I first started out, because right now I've just been focusing on hair. But makeup has been basically my first love. I love makeup. That's what I was doing a lot of when I first started doing hair professionally. I was doing a lot of makeup first, so that's what I made a kit. I have a whole kit. So if any of you guys know me personally and you're watching this video, come get your makeup done at Yvette's Hair Salon. Follow me on Instagram to get our contact information. Call or text us to book an appointment. My makeup is actually pretty affordable, like, to me, compared to other people. I just want to service my clients, because in my city there are so many talented makeup artists. So I know everybody pretty much has their favorite, but I'm just trying to service my little people. Even if I get into doing more mature clients, that would be fun also. But one thing that I really love is eyeshadow. Like, I do some eyeshadow. I enjoy it. I'm really good at it. So that's what you're going to be seeing for sure in this video. I'm going to be doing a Mulatto. Is that her name? Mulatto, I think. Or does she want to be called something? I don't know. But the female rapper, the young girl, light skin, blonde hair. I feel like I'm describing her to y'all, but y'all know what I'm talking about. This look is inspired by one of her makeup looks, and I feel like I replicated it really nice. I was about to say leprechated. I replicated it really nicely. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going to be building up this makeup look and just blending. So you guys know the drill. I just want y'all to chill and watch this makeup video and watch me beat her face. Like I said, there are ways and areas that I want to improve my makeup, but like I said, I'm starting off at a really good point. I really like where my skill level is, but I do want to practice on some faces, some new techniques on how to. There's always room to grow, so I definitely do want to grow in the area of makeup, because right now I'm at the point of where I'm trying to master the braiding. So I want to get to mastering the makeup also. So just like I said, be a part of this journey also. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see the makeup looks I've done. So yeah, I'll try to put the products in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already.